Alan Andre is a street poet who has been writing poems for passers-by for nearly 10 years. So far, he has written over 7,000 poems on his favorite device, his typewriter from 1943.
It's very physically satisfying to type on.
Unlike those written on a computer, typewritten poems cannot be edited, which is Andre's favorite part.
So not having the ability to go back and change things really helps me stay in the present and stay with the writing.
Of course, it's not just poets and writers who owe their livelihood to typewriters. This company in New Jersey, Swintech, is one of the remaining manufacturers in the United States of electronic typewriters, and they have some very niche clients.
Inmates are usually not allowed access to computers, but they can use clear typewriters.
There was a lot of problem with contraband in prisons, where people would hide things in little hiding places. Well, the typewriter, as you can see, is a pretty good sized machine. If you can't see into it, you can hide a lot of things there. Cigarettes, drugs, weapons, notes, things like that. You can just pick it up and look through it and see that the machine has nothing hidden in it.
Edward Michael has been with the company since 1985, when the typewriting business was in its peak, and Swintech was one of the 500 fastest-growing companies in the United States. The invention of personal computers in the 1990s changed the market dramatically, but Swintech still has its place today. Michael says that his favorite thing about the typewriter is how it helps him increase his productivity.
And when you turn a typewriter on, you can't sit there for 45 minutes and check your emails. You can't go on Facebook. You can't go on different programs. You turn it on and you go right to the application you turned it on for. You type a letter, you type a document, you type a business form. And when you finish, you turn it off and you're finished.
And with more and more people struggling from internet addiction, using typewriters instead of computers could help them stay offline. So despite the advances in technology, typewriters enthusiasts say they're not going away anytime soon.
Technology is moving, but we are still here. We don't have any plans on leaving.
I'm Anya Chapman, New Jersey.